So you're interested if a girl sees you as an alpha, or if she thinks you're an average guy like the others. If that's the case, trust me, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to give you 4 crucial signs which will reveal if you're an alpha to her eye or not. A lot of guys couldn't read girls' behavior because of their complex psychology. Most of the time, girls leave no clue with how much they think about you. So does she see you as an alpha? Maybe you are, but you don't even know. But many girls see this and react to you in a special way. But first, you must know what a true alpha is, because many guys think of it the wrong way. And how girls perceive an alpha is entirely different from the male conventional wisdom. No matter what their backgrounds are, women act certain ways to an alpha. Usually, guys think of an alpha as something like lions or gorillas. They relate to it as a symbol of confidence, dominance, and power. But this definition does not fulfill the female perspective of a true alpha male. Modern-day alphas are emotionally balanced and trustworthy. These are the traits that make you irresistible, and most importantly, make girls feel secured around you. No matter how cool you are, or how much muscle you have in your body, if you can't control yourself under pressure, and you can't control your environment, then you are not more than a beta. The only thing you must remember is this: alpha is a state of mind. Interestingly, girls do not consciously pick whether someone is an alpha or beta. Girls, as you know, have powerful intuition. It allows them to figure out who's an alpha and who is not. The fact is, girls display unique signs only to alpha males that you can figure out quickly. The first one, submissive body language. Here's a subtle sign that most guys miss out when a girl assumes a submissive gesture. When you're facing and talking to each other, she'll slouch a bit and tilt her head on the side. This is a subconscious attempt to make herself appear weak and small, a sign only reserved to an alpha guy. If a girl senses you're an alpha, she will give you her full attention. Her body would be facing towards you whether you're in a conversation or you're talking in a group setting. Now here's one sign which girls are completely unaware that they're sending to an alpha guy. When you're with her, notice how she crosses her legs, especially when sitting down. The more she emphasizes her figure, the more she's interested with you. The feminine leg cross is a body gesture unique to females. So the more she does it, the more she wants you to know how effeminate she is. Number 2, the eye contact break. Attraction starts with eye contact. If you don't want to lose your opportunity, then pay attention to this. Imagine you're in a gathering and a girl is staring at you. Chances are she already likes you, but for more clarity, you have to focus on the way she breaks eye contact. In case you catch her when she's staring at you, pay attention to how she looks away. If she immediately looks down and away, that's a sign of embarrassment. She's interested but just feels shy. If she looks to you again after about 20 seconds, she's definitely into you. Now, if she's a stranger and she locks eye with you for about 2 seconds, that's a go-to sign that she wants you to notice her. Number 3, she seeks your approval. If a girl sees you as an alpha, she'll try to please you in a similar way that beta males attempt to pursue their crushes. She'll do you favors because she sees you're a high-value alpha male. She'll aim to act certain ways that is pleasing to your eyes. Her voice tone becomes inviting. This communicates signal of how much she's interested with you. She couldn't resist complimenting you or start laughing at your corny jokes. A girl's behavior changes when an alpha is around her. If she's naturally loud, she becomes an instant introvert when you're around. Conversely, if she's naturally demure, she makes sure you notice her by being more expressive vocally. Number 4, she values your time and opinion. So, do you want to know instantly if a girl thinks highly of you? Think of this as the Brad Pitt effect. If you ask her out for a date or just a simple favor, she won't hesitate to say yes. Now that may be an exaggeration, but the point is, a girl who sees you as a high-value male will respect your time. Even if she's not really available, she'll make time and suggest for a different day. When you text her, she instantly replies back, while only texts back to betas when she feels like doing so. A girl who sees you as an alpha will respect your opinion, even becoming agreeable to everything you say, as long as it doesn't put a dent in your relationship. Thanks for watching, I'll see you guys next time.